Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. There are lots of recruitment currently going on. Just wanted to update you on DSS recruitment, civil defense, NDLA, and also the National Open University registration that is currently. You can apply if you want to. If you're a working class person and you want to get a degree added up to what you have, you can apply to National Open University. They have various centers at different points in the country. Whether you're in Abuja, Lagos, or anywhere, you can always have a center that is very close to you where you can have your study points. National Open University, very, very important. If you have questions and concerns about this, please drop them in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button so that anytime we update, you're able to see them. Also click the bell icon. If you like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and thank you. God bless you. So this is the website actually, now.edu.ng, if you want to check it out. Thank you. God bless you.